Out today on a repair, got to pull some cap nails off a roof that we had covered. When you pull the cap nail off, you obviously need to seal it back up. So how do you make these marks discreet and blend in with the color of the shingle? Well, it's pretty simple. After you pulled it out, pulled out that nail, apply a little dabble of silicone there, go to the gutter, find yourself some granules that may have washed off in the course of the last few months or so. Sprinkle them on there. Don't have to pat them on or nothing. Let that sit in to that silicone so the homeowner will not see a blemish when they're outside looking. Helps preserve the integrity of the work of the home, the overall color. People won't come out and go, hey, what are those black dots doing on your roof? It's just going the extra step, taking the extra step and going the extra mile for our customers. And that's what we do here at Firefighter Roofing. Thank y'all. Hope you're having a blessed day.